Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I just received another parcel today, so it's a watch inside. And yeah, if you purchase from this company before, and when you read like never pay retail, you will know where this watch is from. So yeah, let's not waste any time. Wow, it's a Tissot, right? And it's with an older version packaging. So if you've seen my unboxing of the so-called PRX, yeah, the Tissot PRX 35mm, you know that they have upgraded, or in a way downgraded, or yeah, they have moved on to a more environmentally friendly package. And this one, because it's an older version, so it still comes with an older box. Open up the sleeve. It's a very nice box, very presentable. It's huge, it's heavy, and there is, let's push this out. No, it doesn't want to come out. Okay, so it usually comes with a book, like, it's about the history of Tissot, and they will also throw in a catalog. So not sure if this is the latest one. Maybe it's the latest one where it comes with a watch. Yep, I think it's only up to 2014, so it's not exactly the latest. Maybe the latest when the watch is being released. And well, yeah, not really nicely presented here, but yeah, this is the watch. It's a Tissot PR100 Powermatic 80. Well, the beauty is that it comes with a Powermatic 80 movement, and I used to have one Tissot with a Powermatic 80 movement, a full titanium case watch. I'm going to put the link somewhere here in the video if you're interested to look at the watch, but I've since sold the watch and I don't have any automatic Tissot per se. What I have is besides this, is the Tissot PRX, which is a quartz. So I thought of like, okay, I would like to get another Tissot automatic. And why don't we just take a closer look and peel off some stickers. Okay, I think that's the only one that is trying to protect the what do you call, the front crystal, and there should be another one at the back. And I always find it quite tricky to find that edge between the sticker and the watch. So yeah, it's off. Okay, so move this rubbish aside. This is the watch. As you can see, there is no anti-reflective coating for this kind of entry-level Tissot watches, but yeah, I think it's a good combination. Yeah, the bracelet, I'm not a big fan of this bracelet, because when I already knew that I will be removing the bracelet and replacing it with a leather strap. And you may ask, yeah, why don't you buy a leather strap version? Well, it's out of stock and they only have this, and I think it's a good price, so I grab it. And yeah, so you see the bracelet, there is the mid link is high polish, which okay, may be acceptable, but I just don't like the fact that it's skewed. I don't know, it looks odd to me. And it's not a female, there's a male end link with like a bunny tooth, a skewed bunny tooth protruding from the end link. Yeah, not a big fan. I believe it comes with solid end links, which yeah, they are. Comes with a very rudimentary pressed metal clasp, but at least it comes with push button deployment and not friction fitted. And let's take a look at the hang tag for a moment. Twist. And yeah, this is the model number. I'm just not gonna read it. It's a Tissot PR100. Let's give the watch a whine. Okay, the second hand starts to move. Let's pull out the crown all the way, see if it hacks. It hacks. Let's turn time. Yep, it switches the date quite exactly at 12 o'clock. Yeah, everything seems to be working, so I'm just gonna move it to 10:10, and I will try to manually change the date. Okay, everything seems to be working fine here. So why I wanted to get another Tissot? You see, here in Malaysia, to those that are not really into watches, Tissot, I think they are quite successful here. I would say, put it this way. a lot of people, common people that are not into watches, when they heard the name Tissot, yeah, they will know that, wow, that's a good watch. That's a good Swiss watch with a long history. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's since 1853. So that's that kind of impression that a lot of non-watch people get. When they hear the name Tissot, they will feel that it's a prestigious Swiss brand. Of course, besides Rolex and whatnot. And it is even more popular than, let's say, I would say Oris. Yeah, I know we have a lot of hardcore fans for Oris watches, especially among watch enthusiasts. But like, non-watch people, they do not know what an Oris is. Like at one point, true story, my wife thought that Oris is Orient. She was saying that, yeah, I thought Oris is like a Japanese brand. I said, no, it's an independent, still considered independent Swiss watch brand, which is not under a big conglomerate like, Tissot is under the Swatch group, and I don't know, some is under the LVMH group, and some is under the Rolex umbrella and whatnot. But Oris managed to stay independent. All right, of course they have been bought and sold for a couple of times, but they are still independent. But yeah, about that, that could be another story for another video. But back to Tissot. Yes, in Malaysia it's kind of very popular, and people will just look at it. Wow, Tissot is a good watch. And it's also a good conversation starter, among not non-watch enthusiasts. At least we know, oh, it's a Tissot. Yeah, is it nice? So in a way it helps me bridge the gap between non-watch and watch guys, and I can, in a way, hopefully with my small little influence, get them into this hobby of watch collecting. And the beauty of a Powermatic 80, I know I have a Certina DS Action Diver that also comes with a Powermatic 80, but you cannot get to see the rotor. So the rotor of a Powermatic 80, it's quite good in a way that it comes with a blacked out rotor that has all this, good printing. I wouldn't call it engravement, but it's printing, and I think it's like high-tech. Let me just zoom in a little. High-tech escapement. Yep. So if you're not sure, a Powermatic 80 movement is factory regulated with lasers, I believe so. And yeah, you cannot really regulate the movement on your own, but it's laser calibrated or laser regulated. Okay, so it's not a small watch. It's a 39mm case diameter watch. So in a way, it's a contemporary modern size watch. But the beauty of it is that it comes with a 44 or 45mm lug-to-lug distance, which is still good for my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. So there is no lug overhang. Yes, again, you can argue, yeah, it looks like a plate on your wrist. It looks like a dinner plate on your wrist. Grow up, eat more things. Why are you so skinny? My whistle is bigger than your wrist. Okay, I cannot say that. All right. So yeah, you know where I'm getting to. But to me, it's still a great modern size watch, and I think it looks okay. Well, the only concern is that I may complain on the date wheel. It's white, I think it will look better if it's a black date wheel, but somehow I think it's still excusable because they put it at 6, no longer at 3, which in a way balance up the dial of the watch and also balance up with the Tissot, the 1853, the PR100, the Powermatic 80. Everything is lined up perfectly from 12 to 6. So yep, I think it's a great watch. I'm not sure if it comes with any lume. I don't think so. It's not a true dress watch. It's not a true tool watch, but it's a good everyday watch. That's it. All right. So yeah, I will be doing a full review of this watch. So to those that are complaining that, yeah, why you're not talking about this and that, this is just an unboxing or a first look of this watch. So after wearing this for a couple of months, I will come back with a full review of this watch. If you're interested, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and click the notification bell if you like. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch pictures. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.